Welcome to a new video on EndNote. In this video, I will try to explain the attachment of PDF files with the references in EndNote library. In this library that was prepared in our previous examples, you can see there are many references. For example, the selected references have the PDF files attached with them. But here you can see these articles. No highlighted articles don't have any attachment. For these references, I have to search the articles from my browser and then manually attach these PDFs with the EndNote library references present in EndNote library. For that, I have selected the reference and then you will see the title. I am selecting Control C, then searching from the Google. It will take me to the journal website. Here it has directed me, search have directed me to the Science Direct, and from the Science Direct I have already explained that there may be an option of view PDF. I am selecting it, and here I can have a PDF view of this article. Then I have to download it, and then I have to attach this article with the reference present in EndNote library. I'm downloading it. It is downloaded, and now I am attaching it. Here you can see file is attached with this reference. Here is another example. You can see this article. I am previewing it. I am previewing the selected reference. Selected reference, then selecting the reference, the title of the reference, then copy, Control C. Then I'm going to the browser and then searching it. And now I'm trying to search it from the Science Direct. Here again you can see Virologica, Sinica, and then I'm searching the view PDF. Here in the attachment, now I can see as previously we have performed this practice. PDF will open. I have to download it. I'm downloading it, and it is saved. Now I have to attach it. Attach it. Download is not complete yet. Here you can see it is not complete. It is completed. Now I have to attach it manually. I'm selecting it, and the full length article is attached with the reference. So in this way, you can manually attach the references with, you can manually attach the PDF files with the references present in EndNote library. If you have any question related to the attachment, searching of the PDF files, attachment of the PDF files, please comment in the comment section. I will try to answer it. Thank you.